Mama placed a tray in the oven. Cookies will be ready in 15 minutes. Samir sniffed the yummy smell. Can I have one now? Not yet, said Mama. They need time to bake. Samir flopped on the floor. This is taking forever. Aayan bounced beside him. Wanna play while we wait? They built a block tower. Samir kept checking the oven. Papa Daddy peeked in. Waiting is hard, huh? But good things take time, Papa Daddy said with a wink. Ding, went the oven. Cookies are ready, Mama cheered. Samir took a bite. Whoa, these are perfect. Morale? Good things come when we wait, Samir smiled. It was worth it.